ng'wech mawuok e pinje ma Kenya kod Uganda nobiro kanyakle piem mag ng'wech manobagi e kaunti ma Busia mondo konye kedo kod tuoche mikelo kod kit ngima manyasani. Kagiloso seche mane ng'wejno chakore, jatend migawo mar jotije sirikal Moses Kuria kaachiel kod gavana ma Busia Apollo Otuomo osiro ber ma tuke ma kamae okelo, ahinya nonro mar del manyiso jopiny chal mar ngimagi. Miche mag jodak ma kaunti no manie tong' Kenya gi Uganda nochopo nyasi no mane nie piem mar ang'wen nyaka no chakre. Piem ma kamano nokelo kanyakla jong'wech ma kilomita 5, 10 kod 15.
Imetuonesha kwamba sisi zote tuko watu moja, kabila moja, sisi zote tuko watu wa dini moja, na tufanyie pamoja kuone kwamba Afrika Mashariki tunaendelea mbele.
Unapofanya mazoezi unajisaidia kukinga maugonjwa mengi. Na pia kwa siku hii huwa tu hatukimbii. There are tents, kuna blood donation, kuna mafunzo kuhusu afya. Kama sasa hivi tunajua ugonjwa wa ukimwi inaendelea ikiongezeka. Kwa hivyo watu wanahamasishwa. They need to know yourself. Kujipima na kujua hali yako na kujua vile unaishi vizuri.
Kwa kaunti ya Busia natoa pongezi kwanza kwa sababu tuko na talanta mingi hapa lakini zinakufia hapa chini. Wakiendelea kutengeneza mbio kama hii, I think watu wengi watachipuka kuwa watachipuka kuwa wengi sana kutoka kukimbia.
Now we are using the marathon as an event in order to bring health services closer to our people. And we are working closely with the county government of Busia, NACADA being our biggest partners. The people you'll see running mostly are young people. And we want to tell the world that Busia also has talent. And Busia has people who can represent.
Kanisa Masitam baada ya Kapsabet koma